Have you been struggling with the homework and the plagiarism that you get on your homework that you copy from internet? Well, you don't have to worry about it at all. After the end of this video, you will be able to know how to do it all smoothly. So first of all, you need to open up your browser and then ChatGPT. And after that, you need to just copy paste the questions or the stuff that you want to research on for your homework. Just type that particular thing over here. Suppose you are looking for an essay on environment or climate change for that matter. So we will just ask ChatGPT to write essay on climate change and wait for ChatGPT to complete its work like it always does. So just wait for it, and after that we will just copy this all but in a different way. Meanwhile, we can just go on a different tab and open Quillbot, because we will be requiring Quillbot for our next step. And as soon as ChatGPT is done with its job, we will just copy this, all of it, and copy it, select it, and paste it on Quillbot. After that, we will just click on this option of paraphrase. And this is how you can use Quillbot to rephrase your ChatGPT paragraphs and use them to avoid plagiarism. So I hope this video was helpful. If you still need any help, you can always comment down below. Our team will be happy to help you out. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.